some more about array lists, and more specifically, how to establish algorithms using array lists. So there are many sorts of algorithms that you will hear with array lists. A lot of them are popular sorting and searching mechanisms. There's a couple different ways to search, and there are algorithms for those, such as the linear search and the binary search. And then there's also sorting algorithms, such as the bubble, selection, and insertion sorts. Obviously, there's more, and there's a lot more algorithms you could make with array lists. You could write a find program, you could really write anything, but what I'm going to show everyone today specifically is an algorithm related to searching. It behaves in the same manner as, related to sorting. It behaves in the same manner related to a bubble sort. So I'm going to show everyone that. But first, to get started, let me show everyone what I've made an array list here, and I've added 5 random integers to it. And then I've printed it just so that everybody can see. There's the array list. This is in random order. They're just completely random integers. And what I have here after this print statement is the bubble sort algorithm. So what this does, it goes through the entire array list several times, and it makes, depending upon the size of the array list, and it swaps numbers around in each pass. So here you see the code to swap indexes and swap numbers and indexes, or indices, I should say. So that's going to be important for this algorithm because on each pass it swaps. And so that's a general overview of what this code does. You have for loops to loop through it several times, to loop through each element several times. So those are the basic logistics of it, and let's see what happens when you print A. You can see that the numbers have been sorted in increasing order because every time that a number near the beginning, every time that a number is less than, or let me show everyone an example to prove what I'm trying to say. So 11 is to the left of 3, but obviously that shouldn't be the actual case in the final product, as you can see. So while it's passing, it will switch those two. It will switch the 11 with the 3 and bring the 3 to the left. So that's just an example of what this code does several times. So it'll continue making swaps until we arrive at this final product. So this is just one example, and this is called a bubble sort algorithm, by the way. This is just one example of an algorithm you could make with array lists. You could make pretty much anything with array lists, so I encourage everyone to try out developing or establishing some sort of code segment for array lists so that it's good practice for array lists as well. Maybe something similar to this also gives you a lot of practice with the array list methods such as get and set and add. But yeah, that's all I have for you for this video on array lists. I hope everyone found it helpful, and I will see everyone next time. Oh, and make sure, one last word, when you're using array lists, make sure that you import this statement here, or else it won't work. But as soon as you put in that import statement, everything should run fine. So I will see everyone in our next video. Until then, please subscribe to our channel, and please reach out to us with any questions. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.